back to Hazel's Emporium. Kumusta? Hello everyone. Thanks for coming for today in my prem. Anyway, so today's video I am going to unbox my desk. As I've said earlier, unboxing, and I do got my chair too yesterday, so I will be doing an unboxing to my chair at the same time. So thank you once again. I will do a detail on how I did. Actually, I'm not really a handy woman, as I've said, but I'm trying to do my best here. Oh my god, it's so heavy though. So yes, welcome and good luck to me here. I think I need gloves there. Okay, I will give you a detail on how, hopefully, I will be. It's heavy though. I need help here. I need help. Oh, good luck. Here. So this is how the desk looks like. And I will be utilizing my side corner here to put this desk on. So in that case, I will be vacating that side, which meanwhile I use that space for my everything goes. This is for all my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone for all the support. Just wanna. So from that corner on the side, I will be using that. I will put my desk on that. Ta-da! Oh! Almost done. Well, not even half, no, but good stuff to start. Shout out to Trending Live TV, guys. She has an amazing voice. Shout out to Bodana Masti, to Annalyn, LED Ross, Miga Meow Meow, and the singer Emotero. I have to carry on. Yes, it's standing. Shout out to Coach Dance. Shout out to Coach Dance. Miga Meow Meow Lifestyle, Dok Ganda. Guapa Emily, I miss you here. Trending Live TV, please guys support. Yes. I got it. Hmm. Ooh. Okay. This is it. Ooh, I made it. All right. So that was where my laptops before. So I now use that place. But you know what? I have this here. See? Because I could not able to fix this. I'm having trouble fixing this side on the chair, so I don't know. I'll wait the boys to fix that for me. So finally I transferred the laptop the laptop has been sitting there for a couple months since I started my YouTube. So finally I get my desk done and moved into the proper place. Yes, finally I get it done. That table, but you know what? I'm having problem fixing putting together with the chair. So I was not able to get that done. I was kind of disappointed, but that's all I can do. Everything is set up. Yeah, hey, thank you. That's it. Printer shredded for paper is there. Everything is that corner on other computer must be moved a little bit. I'll fix that. Thank you, by the way. Thank you so much. Here, that's everything I can show for now.